looks like Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
We should eat here pala, no? Not
Yeah, I know.
inside. Oh, you can sit down here, love.
Yeah, share. Okay.
Oh
Next time.
my. Next time we're gonna eat outside. Whoa, looks like in Chiang Mai, love.
Yeah.
Look at that. The ambience is like you're in Thailand. We keep on saying Chiang Mai. It's one city in with all these banners and everything. And this one is ready
Which
to
part
drink.
of Thailand are y'all from? Bangkok. Okay, Bangkok. Yeah, we've been there too. This place is big. Bangkok is huge. Yeah, busy city.
Enjoy your time.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh my, I got 2 free drinks. It's so awesome. It's special because
We got
the owner of the
mango smoothie.
place, she's the owner of this place.
Yeah. It's a mango smoothie? It was like a mango.
Yeah, let's taste it and
Let's
give
try
it
it
a
out.
try.
Sit down.
So it's really nice day here in Front Royal, Virginia, and we got 2 free drinks from the owner of this place. It's so, I cannot say I'm lucky, but I'm so blessed to be here. And look at me, I'm like, do I look like I'm red or something?
No, look brown.
So yeah, after eating that hot massaman curry, after eating all of this Thai food, I feel so overwhelmed after getting as well a free drinks from the owner, and actually she prepared it for us. So it's so yeah, overwhelming. I cannot say anything else. What can you say about it, Vanya?
It's quite a treat. You know, it seems like every time we go to a Thai place, their hospitality and like their, you know, like when you show the fact that you actually try to help them out, they keep something back, and it's nice. Of course, it's good never to expect that, but it seems like with Thai restaurants, it seems to be like, oh, they have really goodwill, like this kind
And
of
actually,
thing.
that's the reason why Thai food is our favorite, right, love?
Yeah, I'd say for me, number 1.
Number 1.
Yeah.
So if you're nearby or here in Virginia, Front Royal, then you should come and visit this place. Again, Chai Thai in Main Street, Front Royal. There opens 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Mondays to Saturdays, and again for for more information, I'm gonna put that on the description below. If you saw my previous video about this place, I show you inside the Chai Thai. Now we are in the balcony. It's not balcony, it's just the outside patio. Yeah.
You gotta put it up against this, right? Look at that.
How about with you? Because we're gonna try it together. So we're gonna try it together. I think I have to move here.
You're good. Just move your head in a little bit. Like, there we go, like that. There we go. How about
So
that?
we're gonna try it now. Enjoy. Do we have to remove the?
No, you don't have to.
Squeeze.
I think it's
over
just for
there.
no. It's just for decoration. Although you can squeeze it, but yeah, it tastes the difference.
It's actually one place for you to visit here in Fort Royal. It's so romantic if you're gonna drink this together, right?
And it's a good time of the year. Well, right now it's essentially summer. Great weather outside.
You can zip it.
Not a very busy place, especially on the weekday. It's still 2:35 p.m., so people are still at work. It's Friday, but I'd say in a few hours this place will be a lot busier.
I'm gonna zip. I noticed something. It's nearer than him. Let's move it a little bit here.
That's us.
Mmm. So delicious.
Okay, that's not that much really.
And mango orange. Yeah, it's mango.
Definitely mango.
Mango orange. Last orange.
Mango, orange, tomato, cucumber.
Come on.
Definitely mango. And I think it's orange as well, but it's really good.
It's so good. We're gonna go back and ask the owner what's this is fruit punch. No, fruit punch. Fruit punch.
It's a fruit punch.
He's actually
It's a fruit punch.
he's mimicking my accent.
It's not accent. It's a P's and F's that are mixed up.
Ouch!
Be careful.
Wait.
Ladies first.
Hi, thank you so much. We're just wondering if what are the mixture of this? It's so
Ingredients.
delicious.
Is it mango and what else?
Mango and the strawberry.
Strawberry? Okay. It's my favorite. Okay. Cool.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love it.
It was very delicious. She wanted to get a picture with you. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
Is it video?
Yes, video.
And also, how much is this?
This one is for $4.75.
Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. Great.
It's also good for two as well.
Yeah.
So,
To make you refresh your day.
and it's very nice at the patio.
Yeah.
So is this like you said now open? How long has it been open?
We open a year.
Oh, a year. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Relaxed environment compared to outside this patio. It's very like good environment.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah. So.
So
It's
it's
like
gonna take. All right, so actually we paid $20.71 only for everything, and we got 2 complimentary drinks. This is so delicious, guys. You have to
Mango,
try
strawberry.
it. We're not yet done. We're gonna finish both of it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So-
This is bubble tea.
Yeah, it's good for 2. It's
Yeah.
as what you saw in the video, $4.75 according to the
Less,
owner.
less than $5. It's so delicious.
Yes, it is. So, okay, we're done. And one more thing, one last thing. The business owner or the owner earlier invited me for a yoga session on Wednesday. So I'm so excited, and we'll see what will happen then.
Very kind lady.
Yes, true. And I got a lot of picture of her, and I'm gonna post that on my Facebook. So, by the way, guys, aside from subscribing on this channel, I hope you subscribe. You can also like my page in Facebook. Just type in Miles Travel Channel and hit the like button. So, same thing as theirs. They have this restaurant have a Facebook page that called Try Thai Restaurant
Try.
and Sushi Bar.
TRYTAI.
Yeah, and my cameraman is helping me.
Wait. PHI.
Oh my
Right? Is
gosh.
it? I'm not sure.
Yeah, TRYTHAI. I almost like say
All
why,
right.
but yeah.
Thai.
Again, thank you so much for watching, and hope you like our Facebook page and this channel. Hope you hit the like button and subscribe, and also the notification bell. So again, thank you. I keep on saying thank you. Bye now. Gonna go home for now and. May lucky penny. It's my lucky penny. I drink the whole bubble tea. It hurts. Oh, you can have it all. I have a song line for that. But the bubble tea go to it. You can have it all the bubble tea.
Thank you, singer lady. No idea what that song is.
Oh my gosh. Me too.
Wow, this is so fun.
Hmm?
So fun.
Fun.
So I find it so fun. I find it so fun. Yeah.
It's a very nice place to chill out, so you
With that
should,
chilly drink.
you should try it out. So again, thank you so much, guys, for visiting my channel, and
This
more
video as
videos,
well?
more videos to come. Videos.
Yes, thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more like this, go on my channel and check out all the videos. Thank you.
Thank you, and have a wonderful
Adios.
day. Bye bye.